If you're looking for a quality watercolor kit for either you or your kids, then keep watching. This video is for you. Hi, I'm Jason, and today we're looking at this Winsor Newton 46-piece studio watercolor set. I've owned this for approximately a year, and let me tell you, I've done easily 100 pieces of art with this. I love how it comes. It comes in its own easy-to-travel kit, and the lids pull out, and they are the palette. It also comes with a Winsor Newton No. 3 brush, which is very versatile. And remember what I said, I've painted hundreds of pieces of art, and I've barely made a dent in any of the colors. This kit is going to last for 100 or hundreds more pieces of art. And one neat little thing about Winsor & Newton, and these, if you run out of a single color, you can just buy one color. And, you know, I think I'm going to be doing that pretty soon with blacks and maybe one or two of the yellows. But let me show you an example. Again, I'm a beginner, but I do have a little bit of skill, so maybe I'm almost advanced. But I want to show you those Winsor & Newton colors really pop. Those blues are brilliant, oranges and yellows. So I recommend this Winsor & Newton kit 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for either you or your children. And if you're watching this video, I hope you enjoy your day.